So guys, مام حجري بتعلمني تاغالوج كتير فاشلة فيها عاطلة على الآخر. اوكي.
Okay. So, how are you? How are you? See, I can't teach you
Okay,
Tagalog.
mommy, teach me.
Kumusta?
كumusta شو يعني؟
How are you?
كumusta ka?
How are you? How are you? Kumusta ka? It means is pointing someone. Okay, without even kumusta, you can say kumusta. How are you?
Okay, شو يعني؟
How are you?
If about this biscuit, I'm eating this biscuit. What do we say?
Kumakain ako ng biskwit.
Teach me. How do I say it?
Kumakain ako ng biskwit. Kumakain ako ng biskwit. That is in Tagalog. Kumakain ako ng biskwit.
What is eating?
I'm eating biscuit in English. Oh, it's not hard.
What is eating in Tagalog?
Eating, kumakain.
All that?
Yeah. Kumakain.
Kumakain? That biscuit, what do we say?
Kumakain. I'm eating this biscuit. Because you're pointing that biscuit.
Tell it in a sentence.
Kumakain ako ng biscuit.
Kumakain na ako
ng biscuit.
Kumakain ng ako.
Kumakain ako.
Kumakain ako
ng biscuit.
ng biscuit. What do we say? You prepared lunch. هيدا ملفوف. You prepared the lunch.
Naghahanda ako ng pananghalian. Naghahanda ako ng pananghalian.
Again.
Naghahanda ako ng pananghalian.
Tell me each word, what does it mean? Shun nang hang ang.
I'm preparing lunch.
Okay, what is I'm?
I'm me.
In Tagalog.
I'm ako.
Ako.
Yeah, ako.
Preparing.
Naghahanda.
Try that.
Naghahanda. Because it's a long sentence mo ang Tagalog, mommy.
Why is it so hard?
It's not hard.
Haha.
Naghahanda.
Hahanda.
Yeah.
Nang
Lunch. Nang pananghalian. Kasi I got confused now.
why for one small word it's very big?
It's the same like in Arabic.
Look, it's so short.
There is a long. There's a long word. There is a short word.
Make it shorter.
You can.
Okay, repeat. What is I'm? I forgot.
Me. You see? I'm. Ako in Tagalog.
Okay, ako.
Yeah. Okay, ako in Tagalog. I get confused. So,
Ako?
ako.
Ako.
Yeah, me or I'm. Me in Tagalog.
Preparing.
Naghahanda. Naghahanda.
Ako nang hahanda.
Yes. Ako naghahanda.
What is nang?
Is nang. I'm preparing lunch. Isn't that a word of this sentence
Okay.
of this English?
Ako nang hahanda. Lunch. Shoo lunch in
Pananghalian.
Palanghalian.
Pananghalian.
Pananghalian.
Yeah.
Ako nang hahanda
Ng
papa
ng
pananghalinghang.
pananghalian.
That's so bad. Yalla, boy.